In this video, I'll guide you through how to import bank statements into Xero. We'll walk through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to look out for. By the end, you'll be able to bring in your bank transactions quickly and confidently, ready for reconciliation. First, open your web browser and go to Xero.com. Make sure you're logging into the correct Xero organization if you have access to more than one. It's a good idea to have your bank statement file already downloaded from your online banking before you start, ideally in a format Xero supports, such as CSV, OFX, or QIF, depending on your bank. Once you're logged into Xero and you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for the main menu. Today, I'll show you how to use the accounting menu to get to your bank area. Click on Accounting at the top. This is where all of your financial information lives, including reports, bank accounts, and various tools you'll use regularly. After you click Accounting, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click Bank Accounts. This will take you to a page that lists all the bank accounts you've set up in Xero, including checking, savings, credit cards, or any other accounts you've connected. On the Bank Accounts page, find the specific bank account you want to import a statement into. You might have several accounts here, so take a moment to double-check you've selected the correct one. Once you've found it, look for the three small dots, often called the Options or More Actions menu next to that bank account. Click on those three dots. This menu gives you extra options for managing that particular account. From the options that appear, click Bank Statements. This section is where you can view existing imported statements and also bring in new ones. It's essentially the area where the raw transaction data from your bank is managed. Once you're in the bank statements area, look for the Manage Account drop-down. I'll show you the easiest way to access the import function from here. Click the Manage Account drop-down to reveal the available actions for this bank account. From that drop-down menu, click Import a Statement. This tells Xero that you want to bring in a file from your computer rather than relying on an automatic bank feed. This is especially useful if your bank doesn't connect directly to Xero, or if there was a gap in your bank feed that you need to fill manually. Next, you'll be prompted to select a file. Click the button that allows you to browse your computer or drag and drop your file into the upload area depending on what you see. Choose the bank statement file you previously downloaded from your bank. Before you upload it, it's worth quickly checking that the file isn't open in another program and that the dates and account match the bank account you're working with in Xero. Once your file is selected and you see its name appear in Xero, you're ready for the final step in this process. Click Next. Xero will then read the file, and on the next screen, you'll be able to review the imported transactions and continue on to reconcile them. And that's it. You've imported a bank statement into Xero, ready for matching against your invoices, bills, and other transactions.